Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Dude, John sucks like Janelli on Tuesdays. Even though she's a giraffe, giraffes, their necks can go really far down, which is gonna be right here. And then she can suck my dick.
It's kind of gay, guys.
No, it's because John likes men because he's gonna fuck Allie Roberts.
I'm not your mother.
My mom does not do guys, only on Thursdays, literally.
Mike Wazowski.
Mike Wazowski.
Where's your paperwork?
My papers there, Michael Dillon. Car! Vicky! Go give me a thumbs up! Oh! I got hit by another car! Oh my god, there's a truck!
Mike Wazowski. Where the fuck is your paperwork?
I told you I got hit by a car!
I don't give a fuck. Where's your paperwork?
My name is Michael Dillon!
Or I'm calling your mother.
My name is Michael Dillon. My mom is dead!
I'm gonna eat this like a pervert. Nom. Delicious.
I think we're done here.